Hello beauties, welcome again to When the Stars Are Beautiful Thursday to you all. My returning subscribers and my new subscribers, welcome again to When the Stars. I want you guys to check out those beautiful haircuts. You can see how this hair is these are dreadlocks. But see the transformation to those beautiful short hairstyles. So if you're having the dread or you want to go for that big chop and you're confused on the kind of hair you want, please go for this teeny weeny afro called the Trois. And one thing about the style, you can see this curl is achieved is on the MIELLE. In the MIELLE will give you that curl you want, that bouncing curls, and MIELLE costs for about $7. You can get some of the products for $10, $8, $6. So it's something you can get in the market. You can order online. And one thing about those MIELLE kits is that it comes in different cups, like the leave-in conditioner. It comes with the shampoo. It also has a called cream. So many. It's also for the short hair and longer hair too. So if you're really if you're a lover of good hair texture, or you want that shine that will make you look beautiful, I would like you guys to use the MIELLE kit that will give you the fine and lovely haircut that will suit your personal style. Isn't this hair looking so gorgeous? I just want you guys to see also the transformation of this woman's locks also to this beautiful style. And this cut is also done by cut by Antonio. Antonio is also working together with Anthony, which is Coco, and they are good in what they are doing. So you can see also the style. This is a top part, a beautiful top part. I love this urban color. It's so beautiful, and it's a color that will suit if you have the chocolate skin or you have the light skin. This color will suit your personal style. It's a haircut that will really accentuate your face shape, your cheekbone, and give you that gorgeous and sophisticated look you want. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Just stay locked for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has to be you. I need you. Whoa. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Whoa. Now wait till you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want, believe if you know, go past the love you give me. If I hold your hand, I beg to leave me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me. Waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me. Waiting you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I